Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x. In this video I'll show you first setup of the smartphone. As you can see, the smartphone is fresh out of the factory reset. Now let's start with the setup. This will be the first screen, and in the next screen we will select language. Select your language and tap next. Select region and tap next. Also tap next in the next screen where you have to accept legal permissions. Now you can set up using another device. If you want to copy system and photos, contacts, etc. from your another device, select Android or iPad. Now let's skip it. Now you have to connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. In order to do it, simply select Wi-Fi network or skip. Sorry, the smartphone works really slow. Now you can copy all apps and data or skip. Now you can log into your Google account or skip. Next you can set unlock method or skip. Next we have to agree for Google services. Review additional apps. Tap next, agree, select navigation type, get started, and your phone is set up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.